What's up once again, guys? Today I'm going to be opening up another Pokemon 151 Ultra Premium Collection box. Yep, another one. Um, there's a lot to pull, and hopefully we can make it happen. Let's get this box opened and everything unboxed. I'll try to do this as quick as possible. There is a lot in here. I'll try to show it all as fast as possible. I mean, just for any new viewers. Cool promos. There's the Mew EX, the Metal card, and the Mewtwo. I think I'm gonna keep those sealed for now. Coins, dice, and the deck box. Here is the mat. You can look at my other video. I believe I opened it up in that one. Ton of packs here. Like I said, we got a lot to pull. Hopefully we can pull something really good. Hopefully we could pull a Charizard, a Blastoise. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 packs. So mix these packs up a little bit and let's open up some packs. All right, here we go. Pack number 1. It's a Hollow Energy, Poliwag, Farfetch'd, Shelter, Cycling Road, Scyther, Charmeleon, Squirtle, Meowth, and an Articuno. That's pack number 1. Let's move on to pack number 2. That's a bad code card. Alright, here we go. Energy, Tangela, Grimer, Psyduck, Ekans, Onyx, Dragonair, Seadra, Dotrio, Bellsprout, and a Weezing. If you guys could please like, subscribe, and comment, that'll help me out a ton. This box is, I think, like a $400 box right now. I'm opening up. I'm more than likely to lose money on it. So if you guys like and subscribe and watch, that'll help me out big time. Thank you guys for supporting. Oh, here we go. We got a gold Mew EX. Nice. Nice. It is off-centered, top to bottom, and a little bit left to right. But wow. Nice pull. Gold Mew EX to start. That's our first hit. A ton of packs to open. Pidgey, Metapod, Ponyta, Poliwag, Leftovers, Persian, Muck, Katuna, Venomoth, and Beedrill. Yeah, like I was saying, I think Pokemon 151 is going to be the best set of Scarlet and Violet. I really do think it's actually going to overtake Prismatic. just because it's 151 and it has all the original 151 Pokemon in there. I think it'll be really good. Energy, Execute, Clefairy, Machop, Porygon, Charmeleon, Parasect, Cloyster, Sandshrew, Toadskruel, and Nidoking. And like I said, I am sure I'm going to lose just because this box is worth about $450, whatever it is. I'm more than likely to lose money on opening this. So I'll continue opening. I'll continue losing. But please, everyone, like and subscribe my content. Thank you. Cubone, Vulpix, Magnemite, Caterpie, Kabuto, Gloom, Clefable, Cycling Road, Lickitung, Kabutops. I love 151. I think it's down the road. It's going to be the next Evolving Skies. That's my view on everything. Prismatic is going to also be really good. As I don't know if it's going to be as good as 151, but Prismatic is probably going to be in that second spot. Lapras, Cycling Road, Scyther, Tentacruel, Nidorina, and hit number 2 is a Golem EX Full Art. Nice. Still a bunch more packs to open. Hopefully we could get that SIR, Blastoise, Venusaur, Charizard. I've opened up a ton of 151 and much better pull rates than Prismatic. Obviously, you guys could look back at my videos and see that I opened up a ton of packs from Prismatic and the pull rates are not great. It's terrible. At least 151's pull rates are better. It makes the game more enjoyable. Here we go, another Hollow Energy. So that's another reason why I like opening up 151. Coughing, Primeape, Pharaoh, Machop, Pidgeotto, Alakazam. So third hit is an Alakazam EX. Another set from Scarlet and Violet, other than 151 and Prismatic, is Pally and Fates with that Bubble Mew and that Charizard. I think that set is primed to be number 3. That's my opinion. Horsey, Abra, Seeking, Butterfree, Lapras again. Oh, and we got a gold switch. Kabutops. Wow. So we got 2 gold cards in this one UPC so far. That's pretty amazing. 2 gold cards in one UPC. Who knows? We still got a bunch of packs to open. We could still pull something else. What would be insane if we actually pull an SIR as well as these 2 gold cards. It could happen. You never know. We are still hunting for that Charizard. All right, Rattata, Squirtle, Lickitung, Venomoth. Oh, that's Venomoth. Charmeleon and a Jinx EX Full Art. Nice. So we already pulled a Golem EX Full Art. Now we pull a Jinx EX Full Art. 6 packs remaining. 6 packs. 6 chances to pull an SIR. Can we do it? Let's see. Another Hollow Energy. We've gotten a ton of those. Rattata, Squirtle, Pinsir, Dragonair, Dragonite. Let's go on to the next pack. Code cards are like printed wrong. Pikachu, Farfetch'd, Shelder, Machoke, Dugong, Hitmonchan, Electrode, Charmeleon, and a Ditto. Ditto in that pack. 4 packs remaining. Eevee. Skip forward. Anything. Vileplume. Nothing in that pack. Pikachu. 3 packs remaining. Alright, we'll just go with this pack. And Mr. Mime. Krabby, Mr. Mime, Dugong. Nothing good. 2 packs remaining. Really can't believe I'm opening up another UPC here. Alright. And Venomoth. Ditto again. Last pack. Last pack. Let's see what we could get. Sandshrew, Seal, Leftovers, Persian, Muck, Magnemite, Rhydon, and oh, Ninetales EX. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one.